How to find recently deleted photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, scroll down and go to the Utilities section at the end. Then, tap on Recently Deleted. You require Face ID or passcode to view this album. Once you're here, you can view all your recently deleted photos and videos. You can also choose to permanently delete them from here if you want. Following these steps, you can easily find recently deleted photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.